Welcome! Today we will look at how you can edit the price of a subscription template and update them for customers in bulk so you can save time manually editing individual subscriptions. Go to Payments and click Subscription Templates to find and select the one you want to edit. From here, click the three dots menu in the top right and choose Edit. Change the value of your template, and all payments in this template from now on will be at this new price. Any payments that have already been created will not be affected by this change. You also have the choice to override all subscriptions, so any subscriptions that were edited individually will also be changed. You can see a useful summary of your changes on the right. When you're happy, click Continue and update your changes. Once you've made this change, your customer will receive an email like this one to notify them of the change to their direct debit. You'll also receive an email to confirm the changes to your subscription template. And you're all set! Thanks for watching.